Okay. Yeah, ito. We have a weekend project, and it's my one of my lithium ion batteries for the Ryobi. This one is normal. It's not. It doesn't have any problem. It works. But the other one, this one, is malfunctioning. It doesn't take charge anymore. Like you charge it for 30 minutes or 1 hour and it says full charge, but then when you use it, it's dead. So today I opened it and I use a security. I use some hex 6 screwdrivers, but it has a security hole on it, like the hex with a security thingy on it, like this. So it has a dimple on the middle, so you cannot use an ordinary hex screwdriver. So just remove the 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 screw on the top. They're all hex screws, and pull it out, pull this battery out and pry it open, and it's kind of glued in there, but it's not difficult to remove. So as you remove it, now it's exposed, so you can measure the voltage with the voltmeter. So for each cell, it totals, the total is 15.81, but it should be 18 volts, or maybe 18.7 or something like that. So if we measure each cell, the first one on top is a 3.87. The second one is 3.93, and the third one in the middle is 0.2. So that's dead. And this one, the fourth one is 3.94 or 3.93, and the fourth one is actually 4.14, which is actually very, very good. Okay, so we know that this cell is dead, so we'll try to change that one. Remove the welding there, just pry it off, remove, and then take this battery out there and then change it with a new one. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so using something flat, just like this blade here, an X-Acto blade, we'll try to pry this open. Remove just the 2 welds there. See those? Oh, four welds. It has 2 tabs that are holding that, holding the weld to the battery. So maybe use also a okay, careful not to break it. All right, that one is off. Then the second one, try that too. Yep. Carefully, there it is. So that 2 are off. Then we'll go for this, for the positive. Okay, let's pause. Okay, so I pried off these tabs here. They're now off this battery, and on the positive side also it's off there. And now the battery just pulls off like that. So we need to straighten this tab and flatten the part that makes contact with the battery, for the new battery that we'll put in there. Actually, I'm not putting in new batteries. I have batteries that are salvaged from old uh, battery battery packs. I don't throw away the battery packs because sometimes, just like this one, there's only like one battery that's bad. Okay, so it's kind of a flat now. Let's try that. Let's try a new one. Okay, so this one is the bad one. Let's put that aside. And I have here some okay, so I got this, I found this battery, a spare. It's a used one, but it's still rated at 3.7. And I think this will work. It's a used one. Don't throw away your old packs because they still have a lot of good batteries in there. So let's try welding this. And need to tape it a little bit so that it doesn't move when I try to use the weld spot welder. Okay, spot welder. There you go. Power the spot welder. Now, and okay, let's make sure that the polarity is okay. So that's a positive here, connected to the negative. Negative connected to the positive. So okay, we're sure that it's right. Okay, let's try welding this now using this spot welder. Okay, okay, looks like it's sticking. Okay, that's good. And the other side, negative. Let's move it a little bit so that you can see it. There you go. Oh, this one is not cooperating. Oh, this is giving me a little bit of a problem here because it's up. Try to push it down a little bit. Okay. It's really not sticking in there. Let's give it maximum 20. Well, I think that's gonna do it. It's kind of a sketchy welding on I used contacts already because there's a lot of debris in there, and it's not actually flat. So we're welding like some uneven contacts. But now we'll check. Turn this off and remove it because we're done with it. And now we'll check the voltage if it works. So let's measure the total voltage. Total voltage should be no, it's 15. 19.5. Okay, so measure this voltage for each cell. 4.14, 3.94, 3.62, 3.92, 3.87. Okay, that's good. So we'll put them back together, assemble, and let's try it. Okay, let's put the screws on there. Two, three, and four. Do this one across. Do this one. Okay. Okay, make sure that you don't over tighten. This is a plastic. Yeah, make sure that the seams are flat and no space. Just give it just a little bit of a twist, not too much. Then there's another one on top, screw on top. Okay, now they're okay. We'll try to measure the voltage. 19.49. Okay, so try it on the Ryobi drill. Now it works. Saved me about $50 to buy a new battery. Now this battery is 1500, I think 1500 milliamp hour, and then the bigger one, this bigger one is 3000 milliamp hour because it has 10 cells. This one only has 5. Okay, that's it. Good project. Bye bye.